Paint correction has never been more convenient. Welcome to the next generation of machine polishers here at Adams Polishes. Introducing the Cordless 15mm polisher and the Cordless 12mm polisher. Now with these polishers, you're gonna get the same performance you need for paint correction without being restricted to needing a cord. They're battery powered and they still are amazing. They're gonna get you the super shiny, perfect paint that everybody wants on their car. These polishers are still a random orbital dual action polisher. They are not rotary buffers. So when it comes to paint correcting your car and getting that perfect finish, a dual action random orbital polisher is the way to go. It achieves perfection, but it doesn't cause any damage on your car. Now, the Cordless 12mm polisher comes in a full new design compared to the other 12mm polishers that we offer. It comes with a 5.0 amp hour battery plus a 2.5 amp hour battery. And with the 2.5 amp hour battery, you're gonna get about 30 to 45 minutes of runtime. Whereas in the 5.0 amp hour battery, you're gonna get double that. So we'll say an hour to an hour and a half of runtime. Now, the one thing that really stands out with this polisher when I first started using it was how quiet it is. So when you turn it on, you pull the trigger, you can see just how quiet this polisher is. It sounds like almost like a modern electric car, but it still has speed control. So it has a power button on the top here. If you turn it on, it has speed settings 1 through 6. Now, if you pull the trigger twice, it will run on its own. So you don't have to hold the trigger the whole time. And then once you pull the trigger again, it turns off. It also has speed memory. So when I turn the polisher off, so it doesn't do anything when I pull the trigger, when I turn it back on, it's gonna remember the speed setting you were on previously. So you don't have to ramp up the speed every time that you pull the trigger on the polisher. It has a 3-inch backing plate, so it's gonna fit the 3.5-inch polishing pads that we offer here at Adams Polishes. And another cool thing about this is it comes with a case. So it's gonna come with a case that has the charger, it has a place for the battery and the polisher as well. So kind of everything you need in one nice little package. Now, the Cordless 15mm polisher has a 5-inch backing plate, which is going to fit a 5.5-inch polishing pad. And it has roughly the same body style as our SK Pro models that have the cord, but very familiar if you've already used those polishers, but ergonomically designed to be able to use this polisher with ease, with comfort. So you can definitely polish a full car with this polisher. Now, it has all the same features that our corded polishers have, which has a speed dial on the top here going from speed setting 1 through 6. It also has the trigger on the front with the pistol grip, and it also has the locking button on the side. So I can pull the trigger and lock it in and it will run as I go through. And as you can tell by me turning the polisher on, it's definitely more quiet than our standard polishers that have the cord. And with the 5.0 amp hour battery, you get approximately 45 minutes to an hour of runtime. So with 2 batteries, you're gonna get an hour and a half to 2 hours worth of runtime. Both the batteries on these polishers have fast charging capability. So you're talking about 15 to 20 minutes of time for it to fully charge. It also has overcharge protection. So once the battery's fully charged, the charger actually turns off. So you don't risk the chance of overheating or damaging the battery. When it comes to paint correcting your car, getting a perfect finish on your car, if you want convenience, you don't want to be tied down to an outlet, these polishers are going to be ideal for you. With the options of the 5-inch backing plate and the 3-inch backing plate, you can essentially polish your whole car if you get these as a set. But we also here at Adams Polishes already have a cordless micro polisher, which has a 1-inch backing plate. So we now have a full lineup of cordless polishers that all work together to be able to polish every inch of your car, including the inside. If you don't have a garage now, you can polish anywhere. Even if you live in a condo, an apartment, if you're a mobile detailer, and one of the things you can't do paint correction because you go to people's houses and maybe they don't want you to use their garage or you don't have access to power and you don't want to take a generator, Now with the cordless polishers, you can take these with you and you can do full paint corrections anywhere, anytime. And especially with the 12mm polisher, with it being so quiet, you can polish into the night without disturbing your neighbors or anyone that lives with you. Another setting that you can use these cordless polishers in is at a car show. So if you get your car, you park it in its spot, and you want to go out and polish your car in the morning, whatever, you can absolutely do that now. And also at the car show, if you want to apply a wax, like a liquid wax or maybe a glaze, like our Brilliant Glaze, you can take your cordless polisher, put it on speed setting 1, put our red foam pad on, and now you can apply a liquid wax like our Buttery Wax or our Brilliant Glaze very, very efficiently and quickly, getting your car ready and making it look super shiny for the car show. With these battery-powered cordless polishers, paint correction has never been more convenient. You can absolutely paint correct your car and get a perfect finish anytime, anywhere.